Hey, it's Angelo again with Angelo's Edge. Got an unboxing of a CH Sultan. It's an upswept blade, so it kind of caught my eye. It was $30 or $29 plus tax. So I'm gonna unbox it and go over it with you guys. I didn't actually see whole lot of these. No, I couldn't find. No one did a American video on this, so I think I'm the only one on YouTube that's I could find. So I kind of went on the whim because I couldn't find nothing on this. Like a foreign person did it. I'm not sure what language he was doing it in, but I didn't understand it. I watched this video and I think I might even subscribe to him. But just to watch it, see what it looked like. So this is the Eafengrow CH Sultan. It comes in this little box. Their boxes are always pretty cool. This is a CH Eafengrow too. The toucan. It's a bearing ride. Their boxes are always kind of nice, you know. A little more than a clamshell. They have like a little decoration on them. But this is let's see, the Eafengrow CH 3532 Sultan Survival Knife Black. There's 3 colors. I'll show them to you, and we'll set the box aside. Like I said, I couldn't find anything on this much. There's like one review on Amazon, I think, or maybe, I can't remember. So let's take a look at it. So it's a flipper. It's a wicked looking blade, I think. It's satin. Let me clean it off a little bit. Ow, it's sharp as crap right there. At that point gets me all the time. Look at that. That is very nice. Very nice. Look at that. G10. You can see the texture in the G10. It has it just sweeps. It really looks like has that nice sweep. Looks very Arabian Nights, I guess you can call it. Do the flip side. D2 steel. God, it's satin. I believe it technically is considered satin, but you can see a mirror image on it. It came shaving sharp. The pocket clip, nothing really descriptive on it. It's not quite deep carry. See, if you were going to carry it, let's see what we got here. We'll use the mat. I think the mat will work. If you were going to carry it, it would be something like this. So you see it's right there. So it's not deep carry, but not much shows. So I'll put this back down. I laid this out too because it's an Eafengrow. It's not a CH knife. This is another one. All these knives I got from Eafengrow have come pretty nice. I think the range is usually at $30, $30 to $40. This was, like I said, $29 for the Sultan. Has a lanyard hole in the right spot since it's tip up. It has thumb studs. Actually, somewhat large thumb studs. Well, maybe not large. They have like a little bit of like a texturing or something on it, so you can get it. It has a liner lock. See that? It's kind of on the early side, so I don't know if you'd be doing some serious bushcrafting with this knife. It's more of a style knife. They are skeletonized. You can see it's a pillar construction, dressed up looking chrome looking thing. There's just 2 of them. It has the Sultan printed on the inscription. I don't see it. Let's pop this magnifying glass out. My super expensive auto zoom camera is my magnifying glass. So I can see auto zoom. Okay, there. I almost see Sultan on there. Maybe not. It says Sultan. It has their CH logo, very small, and it says D2 on this side. It's not hitting there. As you can see, the D2. So, but it's just kind of cool looking knife. I got that upswept. I was looking at what's this one? I was looking at this brand, CJRB's version of it, and I ended up buying this one because I like it. Had more of an upswept, and plus this was $10 cheaper than the CJRB. So, and I've had good luck with the CHs, so I thought I'd go with this one. I like it so far. It's not, you're not going to bushcraft with it, but it's snazzy. I think it's just kind of snazzy looking. Let's take a look at the online and see what it says. There it is, $29, and there are, oh, here we can take a look there. So like I said, they show it looks more gray, but there's definitely more of a mirror finish on it. It's shiny. Let's go scroll down. I'll count, but it's 4-inch long, roughly blade. Yes, kind of almost like a horn, like what they used to do in the old-fashioned days with their muzzle loader, a horn. But anyways, so there's let's go over here. There's a green one and a brown one. I was debating which one I was gonna get. I ended up getting the black one. There's 14 left on. Let's see, 14 left on. That's how many. Let's see. I'll do a real quick little read through. 3.9-inch blade. It says it's D2 58 to 60. It does feel good in the hand. It's ball bearing ride knife. It's ultra smooth. Yes, it is. It's drop shut. I love theirs, like professional knife. This always, the CH and Eafengrow is always a standard professional outdoors, suitable for camping, outdoor, hiking, fishing, or other emergency activities. It's always the standard, I don't know, spule, whatever you want to call it. And so that's what they have to say. But I was looking at, let's see, I wonder if it popped up, like, you might like this knife, but it's, oh, there it is right there. Here's the other knife I was debating whether to get. See, this is 36. I might get it maybe someday, but not. And of course, it comes in different colors too. But it has that upswept. That one has the upswept, and I'm sure this is a good brand too. I believe this one has ceramic bearings. Yeah, that one has ceramic bearings. But I end up getting the one I got here, the Sultan. So, and man, I couldn't find nothing else on YouTube either. So I hope this helps out some people. I definitely think it's definitely worth. Let me go back to my other screen. Go and do some size comparisons real quick. Yeah, so I could not find much about this knife on YouTube. I love satin blades. I just love how you can catch the light. So, but anyways, let me do a real quick. Where are we at? About 8 minutes already. All right, we'll do a size comparison with the Tenacious. Bam, there's the Tenacious. It's bigger than the Tenacious. Go top and bottom. I don't have any other upswept knives. The Tenacious, actually, I tell you, this is a bigger knife right here, but the Tenacious just fills your hand more. This is more of an everyday carry. I don't know. This is so much an everyday carry. This is, I think, almost like a novelty. You set it on a shelf and just look cool. But I mean, it's D2, and I'm just concerned about how this tip is unbelievably like pointy. It is sharp. I've already poked my finger like a needle. It has a needle point to it, and I'd be afraid I'd break that tip off just because it looks so cool with that tip. But let's see what else we got. A Spyderco. We'll go with how about the Gerber flat iron. I think this is about the size of that. Well, it's smaller than the flat iron, but it's small. The Gerber's smaller, but I tell you, it just don't feel very big in the hand just because it's so narrow. But it feels comfortable when you put your thumb way up here, and it's very ergonomic. So even though this Sultan is bigger than some of these knives, it's comfortable. And last, this is Ganzo's version of the Rat 1. And these are really, oh, there we go. Someone's out having fun out next to my house. You hear that? I don't know if you heard that rocking noise. They're out playing with their guns, shooting and stuff. I live in the country, so it's all good. So, but what do we got here? There. Yeah, so I kind of lost my train of thought. But so yes, G10. Let's get rid of some of these knives. So there's the size comparison. It's fairly long and knife, but it's thin. So, but anyway, so I think that's about it with this. Let me just take a look at it and see if anything pops in my head. Skeleton, I already said that. Skeletonized liners. Oh, you could flip it. Oh, it's dropped shut. Yeah, let me bring this up so you see it a little bit. It comes out like a flash. It's got a liner lock, so you gotta shake it shut. But you can also open it with the thumb stud, bam, which comes out even faster that way. But it is a. Let's see. Here's the flipper again. Bam. Yeah. Look at that shine there. Where's this here? Wipe this off. Fingerprint. It likes to collect the fingerprints because it's got some shine to it. Satin blade. See, this is not. I don't know if you'd really want to use it, but then again, it only is $30 too, so it wasn't like it's not like $110 either. So just kind of do. Yeah, like I'm the only one I could find that had this video up, so I'm gonna do it one more time. So if you guys want to look at it, and then I'm gonna sign off one more time with my. You guys can see it. And then this way, very pointy tip. Alright. Up swept. Nice. Okay. Alright, if you like videos like with knife reviews, general, stuff like that, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. I'll catch you later. Bye.